Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to a 164 video and a new brand preview showcase, whatever. Um, so here's the 596. So there's been YouTubers out there like Diecast Dude, Champion DJK, probably other guys who have opened these from this manufacturer. It's a non-licensed uh, vehicle. That is the Chevy Suburban. It is the Chevy Suburban Los Angeles City CA Fire Department. So, as much my information I know about these, that they are starting to get more and more noticed and more visible out there. They started out on AliExpress. I got this one from Vinted. I got it with a deal since I ordered multiple cars in, so grab this one also. I just wanted to have my first experience with something and somewhat that I would like. I do like my Chevy Suburbans, and I have seen mostly very good reviews on these, and their price point is also very nice. So yeah, let's get it opened and let's have a look. So this is not brand new. I don't know how the packaging actually comes. It has been pre-owned, but still, I think it looked very good in the pictures. So let's have a look. Oh, it is straight off bat. It's pretty heavy. Is it scale accurate? I believe it is. As much as I have heard from other YouTubers, they have said that these are scale accurate. As you can see, there's no other thing besides the 596 on the base, so these are not licensed, but it is Bill base. We have rubber tires, no suspension, so not that it's important to me. I don't think these have opening parts. I'm not seeing them, at least. No, I don't see any opening parts, so that is also fine with me. Not a big issue. The light bar looks very nice on the top. There's the Los Angeles stuff on the sides. It's Suburban, Fire, Battalion 3. We have lensed tail lights. Looks like the lens. No, that top light is all just painted. The spare wheel on the bottom is the same as. Well, it's not fully the same. It's a different rim, but it is rubber. And then when you come to the front, it's also lensed headlights, so fully painted grille. Yeah, this is not that bad. Not bad at all. Also have like mirrors, which are, they feel metal, so I'm not gonna force them to try see what they fully are. It looks like we have a slight of a gap there up at the window. That would be the only issue I'm noticing. The window is a bit weird. It's not fully see-through, so it's kind of funky. But overall, this is not bad. Not bad at all. So I will be considering getting more of these. Bit of wonky wheels in the back, but I can adjust that like off camera or on camera. Yeah, there we go. So there's something white on the tire. There's just some speck of dust, or dust of speck. Speck of dust. So yeah, no, not bad. Not bad at all. Everything, the design is all nice and sharp. Don't see any issues. Is it accurate to the real thing out there? I don't know. I've never seen this car before. Like with this design, so I don't know. Roll wise, it does roll super smoothly without any issues. So yeah, I think this is a win. Definitely will be looking putting my eyes out there for more of these. What was the brand again? 596, yes. Okay. Don't know what the meaning of the 596. The 6 could be like the 9, it's like 164, but what's the 59? I'm not sure. Probably will find out eventually in the future if I'll find and open more of these. But yeah, there you go, guys. First time opening this and being very, very good experience. So yeah, besides the little gap up there, but that's barely noticeable. So yeah, there you go. I hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe, and I'll see you with my shaking hands in the next one. Ciao.